In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I make this simple, beautiful box braid for kids. It's a kids protective hairstyle that they can rock to school. It's back to school season over here, and she wanted box braid, and I did it. It's so beautiful, and she loved it. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to share reactions. Okay, today I will be making a box braid for my daughter, a protective hairstyle for school. Okay, it's almost school season over here. Then she wanted me to make a box braid for her for back to school. That's what we'll be doing today, okay? First of all, I've already washed her hair yesterday, a day before the day we made the hair. I washed her hair. Right now I just use the virgin fertilizer hair for hair growth to rub all her edges. I've already moisturized her hair. Then what I will do, I will start braiding, okay? Just watch, okay, as I do this thing. It's not a tutorial anyway, but just watch me boss braid her hair, okay? Please, if you're in my premiere, watch to the end. Please don't click heart, okay? Thank you so much everyone for clicking on this video, for watching this video. I really appreciate every one of you. Please share it out if you can, okay? I love you guys. Stay safe and stay blessed. Keep watching. Enjoy your self with this video. We love you guys. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. And please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Your thumbs up is highly appreciated. I love you guys. Keep watching. Okay guys, this is the finished look of the hair. Yes, and she really loved her hair. She liked her hair. She was so happy. That's it guys. It was so beautiful and she loved it. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for watching my video, for returning back to support your girl. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate every one of you. Look at her here. She's happy. She got what she wanted. Okay, she loved her hair. She liked it. She said, Mommy, I can't wait to go back to school. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. I love you guys. Stay safe and stay blessed. One love. Bye.